I'm very sure that most of us, we want to start making money online. We want to start making use of our smartphone. We want to start making use of our presence online. But you don't know exactly. You've been hearing a lot of things, how to start. Others are saying you need this, others are saying you need the other. You know, a lot is going on as far as the beginning is concerned. In today's video, I'm going to show you, as a beginner, as a new person who has decided, who sat down and said, no, it's high time I also join the individuals who are making money online. This video is right for you. I'm going to be showing you the basic requirements of a beginner for you to start. First of all, in these basics, they are across the globe, they are worldwide. 2, they don't have age limit, whether you're young, the sex, whether you're a male or a female, wherever you are. Are you a housewife? Are you a working class person? Are you a student? Are you a stay-home mom? You have a big room for you to use these basics. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I should never hold a smartphone and beg for bread. When we are talking about making money online, we are broad. But in today's video, I'm going to a bit bring it down for you, for the beginner, for my audience to understand, especially where you have been already concentrated on, where your presence is. So I'm taking a survey of social media platforms. I'm very sure that you have an account on Facebook, you have an account on YouTube, you have an account on TikTok, on Instagram. So we are going to focus there. And these are basics. Disclaimer, this video is for education purposes, you guys. I'm not trained to be like, I'm bringing for you confirmation that this video, if you do it, you're going to be part of the people who are making money. You might do it and not get money, not be monetized. But these are tips. It's education. It's a way to show you that, you know what, people are making money. You can research. I'm giving you 2 to 10%. You go research, see what you can do. If it is suitable for you, if you feel you can do it, jump on it and do it. Yes, if it is not, trash it and continue your own ways. Before we start our basics, allow me appreciate our great engagers, our great top fans, the audience that have been with us from 5 years, 4 years, even for one day. I love you so much. We are there because of you. And if you have watched this video up to this end and you have not yet liked, you have not yet shared, please share, because there is someone out there that has been wanting, is longing to start making money online, but is fearing because of what they have had, the speculation, the myth and other things, the people who started and failed. Please share with them. So let's dive in. The number one basic requirement for you is to have a decision. Mark you, if you don't decide, if you are not decisive to start making money online, you should not start. For you to have a decision of it, as I always tell you, that making money online is like a business. It's a project. It's a retail shop. It's that printer shop that you open. The moment you're going to open your shop, you have to decide, do you want to do it or you don't want to do it? So that is requirement major number one, and I give it 100 out of 100. If it meant to give it 200, I would give it 200. So you have to decide and say, may I start? Because when you decide, you know, yes, I'm going in for it. You're not doing it because you've seen Christine is doing it, you've seen James, you've seen Paulina is doing it. No, you're doing it because you have decided to do it. And in this decision, it has a lot of things. There is commitment, there is annoyance. You are eager, you're like, I'm committed to make it work. So that is point number one. You have to decide. Point number two, you need to have a smartphone. Another person would say that smartphone would come first. There are many people with smartphones, because they have not decided, they come today, tomorrow they go off. So you have to have a smartphone. A smartphone of any kind. They should never lie you. I always pity people who say, I want to first buy Samsung Ultra 27. I want to first buy iPhone. No, I want to first buy camera. I started with an ordinary Android phone, provided it is smartphone. Then smartphone, it has to have access to internet. You either have access to Wi-Fi, or you are in position to have bundles, data bundles. Because without data, without Wi-Fi, your choice, your decision, your smartphone will be nothing. So when you have these three, you have already decided. You have access to your phone, smartphone, and you have Wi-Fi. You go to point number 3. Number 3, I would have clubbed it with number 1, but number 3 is to have your product. When you finish deciding and you're buying a smartphone, you have a smartphone, we have Wi-Fi. These are universal. They can work anywhere. It's like you're saying, I'm opening a shop. This shop can sell electronics. This shop can sell cars. This shop can sell phones, motorcycles, everything, clothes. This is how the phones are, and Wi-Fi. Now, when we come to the product, a product is very important. Most people say, no, you can start in any way. Yeah, you can start in any way, because you are not guided. But now, since I'm guiding you, start with a product. Sit down, think. Whenever you are deciding, you're on focus to have a decision start, you should also be thinking, what product do I want to give out? What service do I want to give out? And in this, the thing you're going to give out, we are talking about, in our term or in our language, we call it a niche. A niche, to me, I would advise you, this is a pro tip. Pick a niche that is not about popularity, is not about views, is not about what you know best, but is about a lot of two things. It's a combination of what you know best, what you love best, what you hate. Something you feel, if they wake me up out of sleep, I'll get my phone, I'll get my camera, I'll give something. This is the product. And the product, you can get it in a way, in two ways. If you hate polygamous families or polygamous life, you can preach against it. If you love polygamous family, you can also preach by encouraging it. I'm giving you an example. So this is what we call, because if you hate something, it means there is something you will never fail to talk about it. You will never fail to give a product, to give an ebook and other things. So be prepared and say, I'm going to do. Like, for example, the niches, you can go to lifestyle. Me, I'm into learning how to. You can go education. You can go to real estates. You can go to finance. There are a lot of things. Entertainment, comedy, there are a lot. So you decide. When you finish deciding like this, the last but not least, I'll be bringing this part 2 later. The last, you should put commitment. Commitment should be overall. If you want to begin, commitment to do what you're supposed to do. Commitment to know, this is my shop, I have to open. So in that, you'll connect it with a video I showed you. I'll be bringing another video, but there's another video, part 1, I put the things that make, the tricks or the secrets that make me come every day, that make me cash out on a daily basis, on a monthly basis. It's not about views, it's not about subscribers, it's not about followers, it's about your commitment, your persistence. Because if you're a beginner, you're thinking, you're looking at Z is having million views, you're having 10 views, then you say, I'm finished. No. So let me see you in a second video, in part 2 of this video of a beginner friendly tactic. tactics or secrets for you to start.